Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to enable multilingual and multi-currency settings in your WooCommerce store for free in 2025. First, for multiple languages, you'll need a translation plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click Plugins, then Add New. Search for Loco Translate, install and activate it. This plugin lets you translate any theme or plugin text directly from your dashboard. Once activated, go to Loco Translate in your menu. Select Themes or Plugins, find WooCommerce, and click New Language. Choose the language you want to add, like Spanish. You can now translate every button, label, and message in your store. Now, for multiple currencies, you need another free plugin. Go back to Plugins, Add New. Search for Currency Switcher for WooCommerce, install and activate it. After activation, go to WooCommerce Settings and click the Currency Switcher tab. Here, click Add Currency. Select a new currency from the drop-down, like Euros or British Pounds. Set the exchange rate manually or choose an automatic rate provider. Finally, enable the Currency Switcher widget. Go to Appearance Widgets. Drag the Currency Switcher widget into your store's sidebar or footer so customers can choose their currency. And that's it. You've added a translation plugin for multiple languages and a currency switcher to accept different currencies, all for free. If this helped you go global, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.